When will auto trading on Tokenmetrics start working? If I could just add funds to my wallet and let Tokenmetrics take care of everything, that would be great. Yes, it would. That would be paradise. And our team is actively working on that. Right now, I would say the time frame for that is early next year. I would say Q1 or Q2. We're working on actually building something via the Ethereum blockchain that would be part of DeFi, basically a fully decentralized DeFi asset allocator. We say DeFi and asset allocator, meaning that we'll basically be taking our indices and making those something people can actually leverage using smart contracts, and it will be fully non-custodial, meaning that we don't have control of your funds. It will be something that we basically send our AI indices as a feed to the smart contracts, and similar to other protocols, will basically handle everything on your behalf. So that's something our team is currently building. It's currently on testnet, so stay tuned. We'll give you more updates once it's fully live and ready to go and launch. But this will be huge to our customers, right? Because that's the holy grail, being passive investing in crypto, right? That can help you make money. Bill, your comments?
Yeah, this is a message to the world. We're coming. Tokenmetrics is coming. This is going to go from, two guys on YouTube and a developer team to the next Charles Schwab / Goldman. Right. And with the way things move and with the way Ian's running the company, okay, the rocket ship logo, yeah, that's not going to be just a logo. That's going to be the way it is for the company. Now, naturally, I work there. I'm talking my book, but I go to all these meetings. I see what's happening. I work with the quant team. I work with the customers. I know what's in the pipeline. Folks, get on board.
Yeah, get on board. Tokenmetrics.com. Go there, subscribe today, and get on board.